There are different water supply schemes throughout West Bengal. Some are based on surface water, some on groundwater, some on local water intakes. At times, water is abstracted at one location and transmitted via large pipes for use at another location far away. Water supply schemes entail many tasks, from securing raw water to treatment for clean water, to secure transmission of clean water to a distant destination, ensuring delivery of good quality drinking water. This is a massive challenge. The water operator uses two important tools: Asset Management System or AMS, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition or SCADA. AMS is based on Geographical Information Systems or GIS and has data such as drawings about all equipment and infrastructure available and its condition. SCADA is based on sensors picking up data about the water itself and is also based on database systems where information about the water flow is analyzed. The AMS starts before construction. Many drawings are prepared. After construction, drawings are updated to show as built, and that pipes and valves may be replaced. New pipelines may be added also in the coming years, etc. The drawings will be updated accordingly. All drawings, including the state and age of the components, are maintained by the water operator at the WTP in every water scheme. The SCADA picks up data about the flowing water from the water intake to the house tap and is based on 1. Sensors or instruments, 2. Data transmission over internet or mobile net, 3. Computers with databases for analyzing data, and 4. Automatic pumps or valves which may open and close depending on analyzed data. The AMS and SCADA, arranged by the water operator in the water scheme, link information about equipment and instruments at the local level, at the district level, and at the state level. It will link information about the water flow and its water quality from the water source to the household. The AMS secures that measurement sensors are always well calibrated and enables preventive maintenance and proactive planning for extension of water schemes. The SCADA secures that the operator always has full overview of the production and supply of water in sufficient quantity and quality to each overhead tank and through the distribution network to every house. Every operator in the WTP in the district will arrange for AMS and for SCADA. In modern control rooms, these are based on so-called cloud services, that is, available via internet and with local PCs and mobile apps for display. The Command and Control Center in PHED will monitor that not only water but also data is shared smoothly.